Untha PS1300. After the end of their useful life, pallets are disposed of in special shredders. The PS1300 from the company Untha is designed specifically for this purpose, with a feed hopper the same size as the wood pallets. The product is automatically fed into the cutting chamber and shredded until the chips are fine enough to pass through a special sieve. Metal parts such as nails and screws are magnetically removed on the discharge conveyor. The resulting material is ideal as fuel or natural mulch. The powerful 24 horsepower motor allows processing up to 30 pallets per hour. With a single shaft as the operating mechanism, the machine is compact in size, and its simple internal construction makes maintenance quick and easy. The John Deere 1470G. This is the flagship model of the US John Deere wheeled harvesters. It's a versatile forestry machine designed to perform several harvesting operations simultaneously. The machine is used for selective or total felling. During the process, it performs limbing and cross-cutting operations. The self-propelled frame is designed to withstand harsh off-road conditions. In addition, despite its size, the machine is maneuverable because it was designed to work in dense forests. The 1470G features a large CH9 boom, positioned to maximize visibility from the cab. This is further enhanced by the cab rotating mechanism and the leveling system. Other advantages include a wide range of compatible harvester heads and fuel savings of up to 10% compared to the competition. Ravel Debarker WD1400. A debarker is a machine that prepares logs for further processing by removing the bark. This is a very important process, as the top, hard layers of the wood can damage some equipment. In addition to the bark, large branches, dirt and resin are also removed. After processing, the logs leave the sawmill clean and ready for sawing. The WD1400 debarker is a machine designed by the Slovenian company Ravel. It can process logs with a diameter of 8 to 60 inches. The machine manages the entire work cycle. It picks up the logs, processes them, and unloads them for further transport. All of this is supervised by the operator in the elevated air-conditioned cabin. The optical log detection system improves accuracy. The operator can also adjust the thickness of the layer to be removed. This layer, by the way, can later be used as fuel. Bell's Super Log Splitter. Some logs are so large that it's impossible to process or transport them. If this is the case, an industrial log splitter like this one comes to the rescue. This model was developed by the Canadian company Bell's Machining. The 66 horsepower diesel engine can handle really big trees. The maximum diameter is 48 inches, and the maximum height is 9.5 feet. The working principle is simple. A hydraulic propeller pushes the log towards the base with 4 piercing blades. The secret of its efficiency lies in the high power. The force produced reaches 76 tons. An additional advantage is the remote control that allows the user to work from a safe distance. Petsolato TB600. It's worth mentioning that wood splitters are used not only to reduce the diameter of logs. The TB600 model from the Italian company Petsolato, for example, is designed to work with wood billets, a common fuel in vehicles with gas generators. This small-sized wood must be processed before it becomes fuel. Vertical splitting systems such as this one do the job quickly and efficiently. The equipment consists of a work table and a hydraulic splitter. Logs are manually lifted onto the table, where they're gradually pushed into the cutter and then dumped on the ground or into a transport container. The TB600 model is suitable for handling logs ranging from 12 to 24 inches in diameter. The force generated by the machine is 30 tons. Sherwood LS600200. Specialists use chipping machines to produce high-quality wood chips. The LS600200 model was developed by the Russian company Sherwood. As raw material, it uses logging and sawmill residues of different moistures. It can be logwood, stumps, twigs, or timber offcuts. The LS600200 model is suitable for workpieces up to 49 inches long and 8 inches thick. The main mechanism is an 8-blade cutter with a speed of up to 3,700 RPM. Among its characteristic features is a convenient hopper that allows loading the material without stopping the machine. The work table has a special coating that reduces blade wear and improves sliding. The hydraulic system is designed to prevent the entry of dust and dirt, thus prolonging its service life. Bavarius Durama 2. Wood is a hard and relatively brittle material, so professional equipment must be used to bend it. The Durama 2 from Germany's Bavaria is a versatile, high-performance bending machine that performs symmetrical and asymmetrical wood bending. The machine works with steam-treated wood. The heat from the steam softens the material so that the fibers can be compressed and stretched. The Durama 2 can produce up to 5,000 pieces for curved chair backs in a single shift. The machine is also suitable for the production of wooden sleds. The machine takes 20 to 40 seconds to process one piece. Wood detail shouldn't exceed 2.3 inches in thickness and 79 inches in length. The maximum bending angle is 190 degrees. The machine is powered by 2 independent geared motors. Posh Smartcut 700. One of the most convenient and efficient solutions for cutting firewood is offered by the Austrian company Posh. Smartcut is a range of felling equipment that features automatic sawing up and convenient loading. The maximum diameter of the pieces is 8 inches. You can get between 140 and 280 cubic feet of material per hour. The Smartcut 700 works as follows. The pieces are manually fed into the chute. Its height allows the operator to work standing up in a comfortable position. The wood rolls into the cutting chamber by itself thanks to gravity. Inside, cutting takes place in 2.4-second intervals. Finally, the finished wood is placed on a conveyor belt, from where it slides into a container for storage or transport. Gresa Poker V. Wooden furniture with complex shapes is manufactured by large companies with special CNC machines. The Poker V from the Italian brand Gresa is a machine specialized in the creation of profiled legs for chairs, tables, and balusters. This machine is universal because it handles several tasks: machining, milling, and polishing. All these tasks can be performed in a single cycle. The Poker V easily replaces a 4-axis wood processing center, a slot drilling machine, a lathe, and a profile polishing machine. Needless to say, this not only saves space, but also takes productivity to another level. For added convenience, the equipment can be supplemented with automatic loading and unloading systems. Comptech Chippo 8010C. Another universal machine was presented by Comptech. This is a mobile drum chipper designed to produce chips of the highest quality at the lowest operating cost. It not only chops wood, but also pre-chops larger pieces, leaving them ready for processing. The Chippo 8010C works for logs up to 30 inches in diameter. The system has a long, wide feed table for easy log loading. Note the horizontal feed rollers, which securely grip even the largest pieces and push them safely into the cutting area. If you have to work with tree tops, vertical feed rollers will help you push the material. They pre-compress the branches, which improves cutting accuracy. The Chippo 8010C is powered by a 780 horsepower engine. Gandini Forest Cut 48. With equipment such as the Forest Cut 48 log splitter from the Italian brand Gandini Meccanica, you can obtain a large amount of firewood with a single operator and with minimum effort. The machine operates in cycles and is controlled by a joystick. The process is divided into 3 steps. The first step is to transfer the log from the feeding table to the conveyor. The second step is cutting, which is done with a chainsaw. And the third step is splitting the log into firewood, which is done with a hydraulic splitter. The Forest Cut 48 works with logs from 6 to 16 inches in diameter. The length of the log shouldn't exceed 25.5 inches. The splitter's cutting force is 13 tons. It delivers up to 130 horsepower, which is enough to achieve an output of 7,700 pounds of firewood per hour. Logasol B751. The machine you see on your screen is, according to its developer, the best band sawmill in its class. The Logasol B751 model is designed to cut logs up to 30 inches in diameter quickly and accurately. Of course, the cutting length can be fine-tuned, with a maximum setting of 15.7 feet. The manufacturer highlights the fixed steps for depth of cut, which provide a quick and precise adjustment of the cutting depth and maintain it for as long as necessary. A special last cut indicator helps you remember the last cutting position. Other important advantages are the robustness and stability of the construction, and the presence of a fan on the band wheels. The latter blows out the sawdust, keeping the saw head clean. Vermeer AX19 Brush Chipper. The main features of this brush chipper are its versatility and flexibility. The AX19 from the US-based company Vermeer is a wheeled trailer used in conjunction with a skid loader. The skid loader moves the raw material for processing to the feed table. From there, the AX19 does the rest of the work. The machine's pull-in force is about 12,100 pounds, enough to process long logs of large diameters. This system saves the operator a lot of time, because it allows them to immediately start a new material transport cycle, instead of having to wait and watch the loading process. The cutting system can be either drum or disc-based. Either way, it cuts the wood to a fine chip at a speed of up to 119 feet per minute. Durama WD200-240M. Wooden laths, boards and logs are a very popular material in construction. Special multi-cutting machines are used to produce them quickly. The WD200-240M is one of them. It's a 2-shaft machine, capable of working with details of different thicknesses, from 1.1 to 7.9 inches. The manufacturers try to make the machine as robust and efficient as possible, suitable for work in large-scale processing plants. As a result, it has a high pull-in force, anti-recoil protection, and a mini chipper, which prevents the mechanisms from getting clogged with sawdust and eliminates the need to stop work. Amazingly, the WD200-240M model not only chops, but also removes debris and bark, ensuring that the finished product is ready for further processing. Throughput is up to 350 cubic feet per hour. Neuhauser K+. The Neuhauser K+ from the Austrian company Dynhammer handles tasks such as debarking, sharpening, chamfering, sawing, splitting, and transverse cutting. In addition, the equipment works for logs of different diameters, ranging from 1.2 to 10 inches. The machine is equipped with folding support legs and stands that reduce the load on the equipment during debarking and sawing. The longitudinal stop, made of aluminium profile, increases the accuracy of the work and allows you to maintain the same setting position again and again. The manufacturer has also added a centering device, which allows you to saw the wood exactly in the center, even if it has a curved shape. The Brewster and Garboli TA30. This is a professional machine that converts square wood into perfectly rounded pieces. These kind of details are used in the furniture industry, for example to make chair backs and also to create spiral staircases. The range of the Italian company Brewster and Garboli includes several similar models with different technical characteristics. The TA30 model is capable of producing parts with a maximum diameter of 1.2 inches. However, the minimum diameter is only 0.23 inches. The material is fed manually, but an automatic feeding option is available on request. The Bandit 1680 Beast. The last machine we're going to talk about today was developed by the American company Bandit Industries. The 1680 Universal Shredder belongs to the model range with the suggestive name the Beast. It has been designed to process wood waste from communal, construction, sawmill or logging operations. The tool is a milling cutter with an impressive 36-inch diameter and 26 cutting teeth. It can handle a wide range of materials, whether it's brush, wood chips, bark, twigs or construction wood waste. The result is an ideal material for composting. The size of the hopper and the different cutting teeth and milling attachments are further advantages of this unit. All the components can be remotely controlled via the control panel. The capacity of the model is up to 10 tons of material per hour.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.